Well guys, I'm going to show you how to build a door frame from a bit of old pallet wood. Well, let's get to it. These are the sides. This is the head. I'm going to measure the sides and cut them off. 182. It's a very small door frame. Mark it off square. And again. And I'm going to cut these off with my hand saw. One. Two. Now I'm going to cut the head. Pre-drill 2 holes in each head. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now I've got a nice looking side, bit of an old side. So I'm going to use the nice looking side for the inside of the frame. Holes where the screws are going to go through. I'm going to use 50mm screws. Before I put it on, I am going to glue, because whenever you put a head on the door frame, you should always glue it, even if it's made of crappy old pallet wood. there we have it. One door frame. Now I'm going to fit that door frame that I've just made from pallet wood There's a few golden rules when it comes to fitting door frames. First of all, you want to fit your first piece to something that's level and straight. Now, this timber here, which looks crooked, is actually straight because this trailer is a bit of a bender. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to fit it to this piece first. I'm going to check it with my level, so here we go. This level is the 6 foot level. Perfectly level, which is what we want. Fixing door frames, you always have a minimum of 4 fixing points. One at the top, one at the bottom, and then 2 in between. Nice. Number 2, golden rule fitting a door frame. The head, top piece, needs to be level. And with the front, to do that, we're going to use a 2 foot level, or 600 millimeters. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure top corner to top corner. And it's 787. And then I'm going to go down to the bottom and I'm going to replicate the same measurement. There it is, 787. So now that I know that that's level, the first piece was level, I know that this last piece is level. Don't need to put the level on it because it's level. I'm going to score a mark on the floor. Just a quick note, guys, if you could please like and subscribe and share my page, because I am so poor that I am using this, the smallest pencil you've ever seen in the world. Because I can't afford any new pencils, so please help me out. Right, here we go. So now what we're going to do is, we're making a stud work. I'm going to fit another timber on this side, straight up, and fix this piece to it. Got the timber. It's 3x2 CLS, and for the sides of your door frame you always want your CLS to be as straight as it can be. One way to check it: turn it on your side, stiffen each edge, close one eye and look down it like so. Straighter it is, the straighter your door frame's going to be. So of course, when you order your wood from the timber merchants, it's not always going to be straight. So you might have to pick and choose the best pieces. Okay, so I'm going to measure. frame here and this stud, which is 27mm, is exactly the same on this side. I've just put some screws in, ready to put into the stud. The stud is fixed at the top. I've not fixed it at the bottom yet. What I'm going to do is, this is where I'm glad that I marked the frame on the floor just to move. And then over. I'm going to measure it at the top. 27mm. One more time. Okay. I'm going to put this top screw in. Yay. Now I'm going to do the bottom one. Now I'm going to fix the stud to the floor. And I know it's gonna be level. I'm gonna pop my level on there, check it. Perfect. So now you know how to fit your own door frame. You can go and try it yourself. Now, just for a bit of information, if I was going to go and buy a door frame, I went down to my local merchants and I'd be wanting an external door frame, which would be probably made from hardwood, could be sapele, and it might have a sill on it. Anyway, if I went down to the local merchants, I'd be looking to pay £50–60 for that external door frame, whereas I've just knocked up a door frame for literally, all it's cost me in fact is some screws, 4 50mm screws and a little bit of glue and some of my own time. So in cost wise it's only cost me pennies. So now you know how to do it too.